gamers, welcome to VishalPeripherals. Come on, let's explore. Look at the variety of laptops here. You name the brand, you get it here. Do you see this amazing graphic card? Just look at the inventory collection Vishal Computech has. It's unlimited. So whatever I've shown you until now is just the trailer. Now whatever you're going to experience over here is the actual gaming arena. Look at these beautiful machines. You can find a number of such designs at Vishal Computech. Look what I found. Have you ever seen a display on a CPU cabinet ever? So while playing a game, I can simultaneously watch my favorite shows over here on this display. So now this is an NVIDIA certified studio PC. Only 6 retailers can sell this in India and Vishal Computech is one of them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Guys, check out this amazing F1 simulator, gamers. You are absolutely gonna get the original gaming experience over here. So another interesting fact I've got for you about Vishal Peripherals is they build your own PC in front of you. So if you're planning on purchasing a PC, you can have a hands-on experience before your purchase. We are at the Intel AI zone now, and you can find only one such zone in India, and that too at Vishal Computech. So I have Intel Core Ultra 9 processor with me, and this is available at our own Vishal Computech. Intel Core Ultra 7 processor available at Vishal Computech. Do you really want to experience the perfect gaming environment? This is the right place for you.